Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment at 1032 Oak Street. Incredibly spacious, has dishwasher, parking, backyard, laundry, you name it, it has it, and lots of storage and closet space. So without further ado, let's cross the bike path and the street and get into it. All right, there you have it. That was the tour. So what we did was we went through 1032 Oak. We saw the backyard as well as the garage area and laundry area as well. So that is a shared laundry. So if you're interested in this unit, look at the links below. There's links to the open house schedule, as well as to contact the agent or to see more of the property. There's definitely a lot of information on our website, ReLISTO.com. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. One thing that we will also show you when you get here is the storage area. There is a big, sizable amount of storage that can be available with this unit too, so we look forward to sharing that with you as well. Again, thank you very much for watching. Again, this is 1032 Oak. This is in the NOPA Alamo Square area of San Francisco, which is just chock-filled with restaurants, cafes, little boutiques, and then nature areas as well, and close to the freeways. All right, cheers.